Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some changes that the JUTC made to their Ocho Rios to Kingston route. Now, you would think that we're going to talk about the JUTC expanding service to Ocho Rios or more frequent trips to Ocho Rios, but it's actually the reverse. They are cutting back trips from Kingston or Kingston, Spanish Town to Ocho Rios because the route is too successful. Apparently, taxi operators are complaining that they are losing passengers because of this route. And the JUTC is doing so well with the route that even opposition politicians have gotten involved. So we've always said on this channel that the JUTC needs to run between every major city in Jamaica. It's something that is needed. The North Coast is booming with activity. From Ocho Rios, you can get to Draxall, Miami Bay, Runaway Bay, major areas of expansion in Jamaica. So it's not surprising that the route to Ocho Rios is doing so well. But the JUTC announced because of public pressure, they are going to be cutting the number of trips they make per day to Ocho Rios. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to give you more details on what is happening here. The JUTC has been making several changes to its Kingston Ocho Rios service over the past year as it tries to balance commuter demand, affordability, and pressure from private transport operators. The service originally started in late 2025 as a 610EX Rural Express route connecting Kingston and Ocho Rios. It was introduced to provide a cheaper and more reliable alternative to existing intercity travel options such as taxi and coach services. At first, the route operated as an express service with higher fares, but many commuters reportedly asked for lower fares and more regular trips. In response, the JUTC converted the 610EX route into a regular public route in December 2025. This reduced fares significantly and increased accessibility for everyday passengers. Adult fares dropped to about $550 cash or $500 with the Smart Fare Card. The company also adjusted the route structure itself. Earlier versions of the service reportedly terminated closer to halfway through, but later operations shifted toward downtown Kingston, North Parade to better integrate with the wider transit network and improve passenger transfers. In March 2026, the JUTC expanded further by launching Route 612 between Spanish Town and Ocho Rios. The aim was to improve connectivity between St. Catherine and the North Coast while reducing travel time through the highway network. The route was prompted as part of the government's wider effort to expand rural and intercity public transportation. However, the rapid expansion created tension with traditional public passenger vehicle operators, including taxi and coaster operators who already service the Kingston to Ocho Rios corridor. Many argue that the state-owned JUTC was taking passengers away from operators who depended on the route for income. Opposition politicians also question whether the JUTC should be operating directly on rural stage carriage routes. Because of these complaints, the JUTC announced in May 2026 that it would reduce the frequency of the Ocho Rios service beginning May 20. The company said this move was intended to maintain balance within the transport sector and demonstrate good faith and partnership with PPV operators. Officials stressed that the goal was not to eliminate private operators but to complement existing transportation services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. This is definitely a very interesting story. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.